What I got today is a half-speed four-wheel drive truck, remote control. It's the 2.4 gigahertz transmission. The remote is really nice. It has steering trim, speed trim. It takes 3 AA batteries. And then the truck is just amazing. Watch this. It's got some shocks. Came with some extra parts and a screwdriver and an extra battery and the charger. It took me a minute. Now, I'm not a kid, and I don't have a lot of these, so it took me a little minute to figure this out because the instructions did not explain a lot of this. So I had to just kind of poke around. 2 things. One is how to put the battery in and out, and the other is how to turn the darn thing on. I'm going to show that to you right now. To get to the battery, this little screw is not, it's for trimming the steering. And there's no way to get this bottom panel off at all. And I think that's to help protect the motors and everything. So I'm like, how the heck do you get in here? And after looking at it for a while, and I decided to pull these pins, and I got it open this far, but I still couldn't reach it. So I looked in the back, and there's 2 more pins way down in there. Pull those out, and this whole thing comes off, but it has lights on top, so it has a little wire right there. So then I can get to the battery. Now, it did tell me how to open this bar. Turn that. This opens up, and the battery wasn't in there, but those are the poles for the battery. And it just snaps right down in there. Pretty as you please. That closes. Tighten it back up. Line these holes up. And this is already chafing right here. You can see that or not. And then it just takes a little minute to put these all back together. And if you don't put this back together right, it's going to flop off when it's going 25 miles per hour down the road. So the next question now is, how do you turn this darn thing on? And I looked and I looked and I looked and I looked, and I could not find a switch anywhere. I got to the book, and it says, turn on the radio controller. So I did that. And then press and hold for 1 second, the remote control switch, and then press and hold to turn off. I always turn on the radio controller and then the receiver on the car. The binding process is automatic. Okay, that's fine. I got this turned on. I couldn't find the on-off button anywhere. So back to the manual we go, and it says a little arrow. Can you see that? It's an arrow right there. There's a little button on the side. So I'm like, okay, where's the button? Where's the button? Where's the button? Where's the button? There's no button. Okay, so I went ahead and took the front off because I didn't know where the button was. The button is hiding right there. So to get this to bind correctly, we hold this for 1 second. It's flashing. Then we hold this for 1 second. And I've not done this before, so it's working. I'm not going to press the trigger because it's going to fly. The literature says this thing will go 25 miles per hour. So I'm not going to press the forward or back right now. But I just wanted you to see that. We're going to take it outside and have some fun.
Okay, jumps. Don't get by your feet.